How can I download and install APK on Chromecast?
Hello everyone, in this video tutorial, we'll learn how to download and install APKs on a Chromecast. This might sound a bit complex, but don't worry, we'll guide you through it step by step. Let's dive in.
What is an APK and why would you want to install one on Chromecast?
APK stands for Android Package Kit, and it's the package file format used by the Android operating system for the distribution and installation of mobile apps. You might want to install an APK on Chromecast if there's an app you want to use that isn't available in the standard Google Play Store.
Preparing your Chromecast and Android device.
Firstly, to install an APK on Chromecast, you'll need two things: an Android device and your Chromecast. The Android device will be used to download the APK file and then cast it to the Chromecast. Ensure both your Chromecast and Android device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is crucial for casting the APK file to your Chromecast.
Downloading the APK file.
Now, to download an APK, you'll need to do it from a trustworthy source. For this tutorial, we will be downloading the APK from the website APK Mirror, which is a safe and trusted source for free APK downloads. Please, be careful when downloading APKs from the internet, and always use trusted sources to avoid malware and other potential security risks.
Casting the APK to Chromecast.
Once you have the APK file on your Android device, the next step is to cast it to your Chromecast. To do this, you can use apps like Send Files to TV. This app will allow you to easily transfer files from your Android device to your Chromecast. Remember to select the correct device, your Chromecast, as the receiver in the app. Once you have done this, you can select the APK file and send it to your Chromecast.
Installing the APK on Chromecast.
Now, this is where things get a bit tricky. Chromecast doesn't natively support installing APKs. Therefore, you will need to have a rooted Chromecast and use a third-party app, like StickMount, to install the APK file. Remember, rooting your Chromecast can void your warranty and can potentially brick your device. So, proceed with caution and at your own risk. That's it. You've now learned how to download and install an APK on Chromecast. Remember to be careful when downloading APKs from the internet and only proceed with rooting your Chromecast if you understand the risks involved. We hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comments. Thanks for watching.